Hi, welcome to this beginner course on automating and animating your holiday light display. Thank you so much for enrolling. This course will show you how to do this.
The king.
Or something like this. The course will show you how to decorate your house with these LED lights, commonly referred to as RGB Pixels. They are computer-controlled, color-changing lights that you can automate and animate to create a fantastic holiday display that will not only delight your guests, but may get you a shot on television, if that's what you want. You should have a basic understanding of electronics, as we'll be calculating power requirements for different strings of lights. Now, don't worry, I'll give you the formulas for that. There's also some basic wiring involved. You should also be comfortable using a computer. Now, you don't have to be an expert, but there is some basic computer networking involved. You may have to change your IP address, or you may need to find a device on your network. It also helps if you have some musical aptitude, so that you can time the patterns with the beats of music. Now, if you're not great at that, it's okay. I'll talk more about that in the sequencing section. There is some free software available to help you create patterns for your lights that I'll talk about, and I'll cover some basic tools you may want or need. Things like screwdrivers and pliers and wire cutters. You probably already have some of these tools. The lights I'm using are more expensive than normal lights, so just be prepared for that. If you're starting with nothing, set aside enough money to buy a new computer. I'm not saying you need to buy a new computer, but if you have enough money for one, you can put a nice display together. And if you have some of the components already, your costs will be less. Actual costs are going to depend on your personal taste and goals, so I'm just setting expectations. Food and a roof over your head are much more important than having an awesome display. Probably. I started using Pixels in 2015 and had computer-controlled strings of lights prior to that. Now, the course will teach you the minimum components needed, how to connect everything up, and how to program the lights. I hope you enjoy the course. You will learn a lot. It is a fun hobby. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.